Welcome back to our channel App Tutorial everybody, where we post app related videos, and today I'll teach you guys how you guys can add your Discord link to your TikTok bio, and it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel App Tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, and let's move on. So first step is make sure you turn your TikTok account into a pro account, because if your TikTok account is not a pro account, you cannot add links on your TikTok. And we have also made a video on how to make your TikTok account pro on our channel App Tutorial. You can watch that. So follow the step on how to add your Discord link. First step, you have to go to your Discord. After you're on the Discord which you want, what you want to do is click on the three line, and right on top of your Discord name there should be a three dot. Click on three dot and scroll all the way down, and you can see where it says invite. Click on invite, and over here you can click on copy link. Now once you copy the link of your Discord, go back to your TikTok, and over here click on versus profile and click on versus edit profile at the top, and you can see the website icon over here, and you want to click on versus website, and over here paste the link which you just copied from Discord and click on save, and wait for some time now, and it should be saved right about now. Now you can go back, and the link of your Discord is being displayed over here, which you or anybody else who sees your TikTok profile can click on and join your Discord. So that's how we guys can add your Discord link on your TikTok bio. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel App Tutorial. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.